Hello everyone. So today I'll cover one of the topic of your ecology in your geology optional paper, right? So the topic is your geology optional paper का. So the topic from your ecology, okay? Geology geology optional paper 1. Okay. So why I am writing this today? First of all, because I am going to cover one of the topic which has not been asked repeatedly, but once it has been asked in 2023. Okay. So what is your topic? The question was simply Lotka-Volterra model. Lotka-Volterra model. Model. Okay. So yes, this topic comes in your this topic. If you want to see this PYQ, it is your 2023. Okay, if you see the PYQ of geology optional paper 1, it has been come into your 2023 year. Okay, because of that, yes, it has not been asked earlier because it is the concept of your ecology. That's why I thought to mention it is in a which year and in which paper. Okay, so yes, we are going to talk about Lotka-Volterra model. What is Lotka-Volterra model? It is the mathematical representation. It is also known as it is also known as prey-predator model. Prey-predator model. Okay. Of course, I am going to make understand the concept of which, but before of that, as we do always, right? To what to write into the introduction and the conclusion part, right? So, what it is a mathematical representation. It is mathematical representation the population dynamics of the prey and its prey and its predator its predator in the ecosystem in the ecosystem, right? Okay. You can simply introduce or start with this simple thing, है ना? Now we'll understand what is this Lotka-Volterra model. If I am saying it is a mathematical representation, that means there is something called equation for sure. But you can, you should not. Of course, you can, but you should not directly start with that. आपने introduction लिख लिया, like have you finished? You have finished your introduction part. Then again, starting like I said directly. I always told this thing that after completing your introduction, and one more thing, do not start with that pronouns. Of course, we have already taken because I have already made the heading that otherwise you simply write it down that Lotka-Volterra model. It is also known as. You can also mention that it was discovered by, or it was actually this concept was given by Lotka, Alfred Lotka, and Voltaire, uh, something V Volterra, है ना? You can also this concept was proposed by or the given by. You can simply write this topic, this point. You can also write in the introduction is given by. Is given by. That's how you just it's suppose that it's a 10 marker question. So you can write this point in that 3 to 4 line on around 30 to 40 number of words, है ना? So in this you will have a good or the sufficient introduction, right? So after that, don't start with that mathematical equation. You can simply start with the body. What is Lotka-Volterra model? So you can simply start with the core concept. Okay. So first we'll make understand what is the core concept. So this concept is So this is your x-axis and this is your y-axis. Okay, so this is going to like that. Yes, whatever you want to consider you can consider. इसकी दोनों की ये जो आपकी लेंथ है, ये जो हाइट है, that would be the same. ठीक है, so yes, you if you want to consider this prey, you can consider this graph of prey, you can consider this predator, whatever you want. So suppose that if we are saying that this is your prey and this is your predator. Okay, this is your prey and this is your predator. Okay, so what is the mathematical concept or what we can understand through this model? This model simply states that the number of, as the number of prey will increase, the number of predator will also going to increase, and vice versa, of course. Then as the number of prey will going to decrease, because the predator is consuming the prey, of course, in maximum number of, so population of prey will going to decrease. Because of that, predator is, as the predator is dependent on the prey as its a nutrition or as a food habit, food thing, right? So as the number of predator will going to decrease, the number of, or the population of predator, as the number of prey will going to decrease, the population or the number of predator will also going to decrease. This is the simplest concept is this. After that we'll talk about what are the limitation, what are the characteristic, what are the feature, what does not considered in this Lotka-Volterra model, how it's a little bit unrealistic, how it is what is the significance in that real practical life, right? So of course now we understood the concept. इसमें क्या है, लोटका वोल्टेरा मॉडल सिंपली मेक इट कि वन पॉपुलेशन ऑफ एनी प्रे, one population of any prey is dependent on the other population of predator. Sorry, predator, the population of predator is dependent on its prey, because it is its most, it is a dependent the food thing, है ना. Simply if we want to show it like that, as it has been, of course this is one of the question which came in your other related examination, but because we are covering here, okay, we are not writing this here, so we can write it this, how we can represent like that. So it simply says that suppose that we can just ऐसा divide this. So यहाँ पे they saying कि as a, अगर आप इसको again if you want to just simply relate it with like that, है ना, तो आप इसको कैसे, how you will show that as a number of consider it like a prey and consider it like a predator, ठीक है. So what we are saying, first the number of prey is going to increase, so this is the population, है ना, of the prey which is going to increase. ठीक है, जो आपका वो हल्का slightly thick बना है उसको देखना है. So as the number of prey is this graph is showing this half. Okay, this graph is showing this half. So what happened, the predator population is also going to increase, because this is dependent on its, right, because this is dependent on its. Okay, fine, we got it. So this is your first and this is your second, है ना. Then we have seen that as the predator is consuming largely onto your prey, because it is food, है ना. So what happened, the population is going to decrease of the prey, right? So population of the prey is going to decrease. Okay, so this is your number third, right? So this is your number third. You can simply represent like it, as हमने देखा ना, ये population आपकी क्या हो रही है, decrease हो रही है of the prey, है ना. So we are showing that this is the population of prey is going to decrease. Okay, so as the population of prey is going to decrease, the population of predator, as it is dependent and it is running parallelly, so the population of predator is also going to decrease, right? This is your simplest Lotka-Volterra model. If this question will come into your optional paper, this is the basic concept, है ना. So you can represent, you can although you can make this diagram and also you can make this diagram, or also actually you have to make this diagram specifically, because it is a mathematical presentation and it can be represented through the graph. Okay, so now we will write about the रिप्रेजेंटेशन का, जो आपका मैथमेटिकल रिप्रेजेंटेशन है. नाउ विल टॉक अबाउट इट. अंडरस्टूड दिस कॉन्सेप्ट, है ना. ये ये जो थिक वाला आपका एरो है, दैट इज शोइंग, दैट इज रिलेटिंग. इफ यू वांट, यू कैन जस्ट मेक दिस डायग्राम एंड दिस डायग्राम अबव लाइक दैट. You can also make this. ऐसे भी आप बना सकते हो, है ना. एंड यू कैन सिंपली सो ये वहां ये आपका फर्स्ट इंडिकेट कर दो, देन आपका ये वाला सेकंड इंडिकेट कर दो. यहाँ पे जैसे if this is the changing, then you can indicate like that, and this you can indicate like that, है ना, as we have indicated in this manner. Okay, so what is the mathematical representation? So mathematical representation is equal to dx by dt is equal to alpha x minus beta x into y. Okay, and next dy into upon dt is equal to delta y minus delta xy, sorry, delta x into y minus gamma into y. What does that mean? What is x, y, alpha, beta, gamma, delta? Ma'am, it's a biology, right? Generally, the biology do not like the biological, do not like math. But of course, don't just get confused. Don't get have fear. I'll explain it. Okay. So this is something we are seeing that is changing, and this is something we are seeing that is changing. You do not even do ratification. Do just have the simple concept. So something is changing. What is changing? The population of the prey and predator. So x is equal to your prey population. So x is equal to your prey population, right? So what will happen? So what will be the dx by dt is equal to change in prey population, isn't it? Change in prey population, right? Then y is equal to your predator population. Y is equal to your predator population, right? And dy upon dt is equal to change in predator population, change in predator population, right? Then here if you want to talk about what is alpha, alpha is equal to dx by dt, here it is plus, right? So number of the change, alpha is equal to increase in the number of prey, increase in the population of prey, or simply prey population, ठीक है. सो यहाँ पे आपका बीटा है और यहाँ पे आपका गामा भी है, एंड दिस इज शोइंग समथिंग नेगेटिव. सो बीटा इज इक्वल टू द प्रेडेटर is the rate, of course the predator is consuming the prey, predator is consuming the prey, right? So यहाँ पे again your delta as the predator is, as the prey is consuming by the predator. So what was the third one? The number of predator, है ना? So the rate at which the prey is decreasing. So right, so यहाँ पे क्या है? Delta is equal to decreasing prey because of that heavy or that मतलब ऐसा because predator is consuming that much high, है ना? Predator is consuming. So यहाँ पे क्या आपका हो रहा है? In that absence of, ये आपका गामा क्या है? In that absence of your prey, the population of predator is going to decrease. Predator population decreasing at the which is indicating by your gamma. Predator population decreasing. It's simple. You do not need to do that rectification. You can just simply need to understand this graph, है ना? ये जैसे whatever this is graph, यहाँ पे आपका number हो गया. This is your time x and y axis, है ना? You just simply need to understand this graph. Okay. So this is your Lotka-Volterra model. So what one thing why we cannot say this is actually this is of course this is something actually we can talk about in the practical life. But if we talk about what are the limitations of that, what we can talk about the limitation. Okay, so whatever if you, of course, when you're in the body context, when you are explaining this concept, you can also explain with the help of an example, such as the basic example of prey and predator. This is lion and deer, right? Lion and deer. So this is your predator and this is your prey. So you can simple write it like x and it is your like y. So we see the population of, suppose that even this is also the concept of your population interaction as a competition, है ना? So this is also one of that experiment done in the Australia where the number of predator has been just removed from that ecosystem. So the number of prey has been drastically increased. That fox and I think रैबिट वाला कॉन्सेप्ट जो था. So वहाँ की जो लोकल क्रॉप थी that become destroyed very in a drastic way. Why? Because जो आपके रैबिट थे that was depending on the feeding, the food of that was a crop. So उनको जो उनकी पॉपुलेशन को जो रेगुलेट करते थे, तो to regulate the population of prey in that ecosystem, as we know what is the basic thing of the ecosystem, that it is self independent unit, right? Because because the population of any trophic level, it is regulating its below wala trophic level and it's regulated by its upper wala trophic level, है ना. So prey predator is actually dependent on each other, है ना. Of course, so if we just simply want to explain this concept, that we can say in that absence of lion, है ना, या फिर simply हम लोग if we want to describe it with respect to the Lotka-Volterra model, suppose that in any ecosystem the population of deer will increase, है ना, the population of deer will increase. Of course, you do not write in this abbreviation form. This is one more thing, do not write in this abbreviation form, write in a full, ऐसे नहीं लिखना है ना. आपको एग्जाम में when you are going to write it like that. So population of deer will increase. अच्छा, this is one of the very concept you can understand. जैसे कि population of human, just consider like that, है ना. तो हमारी like human has a so many things to think about if they want to increase their population. But one of the very simple thing we can understand, that the population of human actually impacting with the inflation, with the resources, है ना, whatever the resource available. So suppose that if the resources in earlier time, in your 90s, 70s, 80s and 60s, है ना, so resources were very high, है ना, high cropping area था, है ना. So at that time पे the parents or the human did not think about that कि how our children will going to survive as a good and bad, because they know the basic thing is crop and population are depending on that crop. But in today's world, है ना, in a modern world, the modern parents, of course this is something very good also or the bad also, I will not even comment on it, but the today's parent उनका simply अगर the number of replacement rate, we know something, right? So the population is continuously is decreasing, है ना. इंडिया की जो overall population rate है, of course except some states उनका ऐसे lower, because they one of the very basic resource, because we know that resources are going to very limited, है ना, as the population has already increased so much high. So because of that, what we how we just I want to connect कि जैसे कि resources if the limitation as the population is going to limit, है ना. अभी के पेन के बोलते हैं inflation बहुत है या competition बहुत है, it's difficult to ऐसे तीन बच्चों को ऐसे इजिली ऐसा वो करना बहुत डिफिकल्ट है. सो बेटर हैव वन चाइल्ड, वही अच्छे से. सो दैट मीन्स समथिंग, द पॉपुलेशन ऑफ एनीथिंग इज डिपेंडेंट ऑन इट्स रिसोर्सेज, राइट. सो ये आपका नॉर्मल कॉन्सेप्ट है. व्हाट अबाउट द Lotka-Volterra मॉडल? Lotka-Volterra में भी ये, अगर इफ द पॉपुलेशन ऑफ डियर विल इंक्रीज, सो अगर हमने क्या देखा कि इसकी पॉपुलेशन डियर की किसी इकोसिस्टम में बहुत अच्छी खासी है, सो ऑफ कोर्स लॉयन की जो फैमिली होगी, है ना, द फैमिली ऑफ लॉयन will see, okay, now we have so much resources, now I can matlab that then the population of lion do not need to invest energy to search for that food, because it is already available so much high. And we know that the energy wala concept, as we have talked about already, that energy is dependent on that body कि पहले आप height मतलब पहले body जो आपके higher और lower organism है ना reproduction में, तो they do not wasting their energy into that competition because the resources are very high. So they're dependent population, so dependent predator, that is your lion. So dependent predator, that is your lion, will also increase as the resources, as the food resources, specifically as the food resources availability is high, isn't it? Availability is high. So then what happened? The food resources availability is very become high. So अभी क्या होंगे? The lion की population is actively, है ना, ऐसा बिल्कुल vigorously feeding on that deer, right? So if they're actively feeding on that deer, वही आपका alpha, beta, gamma. So now active feeding, active or better say vigorously feeding, right? So therefore the population of deer will decrease. The population of deer will decrease. As the population of deer will decrease, the resources become limited, right? Therefore the population of lion, because resources are limited, the lion population will also decrease. The lion population will also decrease, right, as the resources are limited. As the resources are limited. Do not go on that writing, है ना, just simple make understand the concept. This can be your body part, of course, in a little more elaborative way. So of course after that you can write the characteristic of that Lotka-Volterra model, है ना, that it is cyclic, it is non-linear, the energy flow, and this of course you can write it about. But here we will talk the limitations. What are the limitations? Here they are not, the Lotka and the Volterra did not talk about or consider the carrying capacity of that ecosystem, right? What is the carrying capacity? This is also one of your question. Carrying capacity of that ecosystem. What does that mean? Okay, so when we are saying the population of deer is going to increase, the population of deer is also dependent on some of the factors, right? Some of that basic availability of their food. So suppose that if we say कि deer की population वहाँ की grasses पे depend है, so वहाँ वो that is grass availability is that carrying capacity of that ecosystem, right? So we do not even considering the carrying capacity, and वहाँ का even, and this is of course carrying capacity something, है ना, that carrying capacity of an ecosystem which is the highest capacity on which any population can survive on that ecosystem. We know that carrying capacity का concept, and they did not talk about that intra competition of within that species, like deer and deer also will going to interact with each other, or also lion and lion also going to interact with each other. Intra competition they did not talk about. Intra competition did not, do not consider, right? Intra competition do not consider, right? And the third and the most important topic, the drastic increase and the drastic decrease of that population, they do not consider about the time management, है ना? They did not the drastic increase or decrease, the rapid drastically increase or decrease of population cannot be generally not in practical seen, है ना? And the last and the one of the most important thing was कि they have just considered one species, one predator interaction with one prey interaction. They did not talk about they have just simply talked about the food chain. While food web is much more realistic than the food chain, है ना? So one species of prey or predator have more than one interaction, or dependence, more than one interaction or dependence. What does that mean? That means if we are saying that the population of deer is going to decrease, then the population of lion also going to decrease. But that cannot be very as a collinear, that cannot be also, right? So suppose that lion की population deer, उसका सिर्फ एक deer is not only the food, है ना, there are other animals because lion is your tertiary consumer when we talk about, so there are other like other cattle, buffaloes, है ना, आपके अदर भी हैं जिसपे लॉयन फीड करता है. सो लॉयन की पॉपुलेशन इज नॉट कंप्लीटली डिपेंडेंट ऑन द डियर पॉपुलेशन. These are some of the basic limitations. So of course this is your basic answer. And how will you conclude it? How will the conclusion will be? The conclusion will be simple, the significance of that Lotka-Volterra model. What are the significance of that Lotka-Volterra model? That it simply describe. Oh, you can of course you can write it by yourself. I will just simply tell the context that it describes that how the population dynamics impacting on each other. Of course, this is one of the real example that we have talked about, that fox or rabbit का concept है ना. So you can simply also write about कि इसका जो sum up है, इसका significance ecosystem में आपका population dynamics को समझने में होता है. We can also predict the population is going to decrease or increase on the basis of that prey and predator. So you can simply conclude up like that, है ना. And when if this question will become, so this is your introduction part. Wait, this is your going to introduction part, है ना. Then start with the body context. This आपका यहाँ से start नहीं करना है, आपको थोड़ा सा describe करना है थोड़ा सा what is this model. Then make this graph, है ना, and also make this graph if you want to. If you just do not want to 3 or 3.5, although if you are writing all this thing, of course you are getting 10 में से आपका 4.25 or 4.5. But if you are making all this concept very nicely, तो आपको बहुत आराम से more than good points, है ना, ऐसे with a good brownie points you can also get. Then simply यहाँ पे आप लिख सकते हो mathematical representation of that Lotka-Volterra model, write it about, and then of course do that body content and conclude up like limitations. Of course you can also write the limitation and conclude up with the significance. I think that's good enough for that Lotka-Volterra model. Thank you everyone.